Afternoon, traders and traders. You all know it's dreycosting. Thanks for tuning in another day. For this GJ analysis. As you can see, our markup look totally different today. Markup this in advance so that we could make this figure short and spicy, right? So did a trade this morning. You all know that I caught an entry somewhere about here, right? And went up there, cashed out TP1 here, price went here. And I was hoping that it came back to my break even, came back, keep me out of my break even. So I'm good with that stuff because I already caught TP1 here, and I was thinking that at least price might push up or the come back to my break even, but I had some feeling that it might have come back to my break even. But once price is at break even, I catch a good trade and it's at break even. I don't like to play with a break even trade. All right, so watch me now. All right, so let's keep it simple, right? Y'all know that I like to keep things simple. Yeah. All right, watch me now. So price made this every move, but in this look kind of newsish. I don't know. I did a trade this morning. I'm not gonna trade tomorrow morning as well. I'm not gonna trade until Thursday morning. Tomorrow CPI, and I told you that I don't really mess with the high impact news because me and Mr. Slippage is big time enemies, right? So watch me now. So price shift, retest with a higher low, shift retest higher high, higher low, shift higher high, and I'm actually looking for GJ to come back to this trend here right here to create a higher low to continue up. I know we have a support here right here, guys, and this used to trick me a lot when I didn't really look at trend lines and all of that, and I realized that trend line support and resistance really works well with Gbpjpy, but I must put this out there. Not because you see me using this nice little trend line support and resistance doesn't mean that it works well with every peer or certain other peers. And that is why most people get messed up in trading because they might see like a mentor or somebody using a strategy and they trying it. Right? Oh, it's not working. Maybe all the strategy is nonsense, but you're not doing the same thing 100% that that person is doing. So you realize that you're missing out. You get me? So I know that this works well with GJ because I've tried several things on GJ and I just kept on sticking to one pair, and I realized that this really works well with GJ. So watch me now. Not a tips type of person or anything like that, but let me tell you something about GJ because we've been trading it for a very long time, right? So this is 100 pips move, right? Based off my experience with GJ like to retrace 60%. So 60% will bring you back to 60 pips. You follow me? So I'm not confident with GJ gonna make a move from here. For some reason, some intuition tell me that it's gonna pull back a little bit deeper, right? And then bounce off this level to continue up, right? So I'm not gonna trade GJ away from the trend. I've got caught with this too many times trying to trade GJ away from the trend. Y'all see it right here. A lot of people thought this was support, but no, GJ did that. So let's measure, right? Look at this. This is from move to here. That's 120, right? Off of 120 is like, what's that? 60. So could we see about 70, 60%? Come back right here. They're about 60, 80. You get me? So GJ normally retrieves somewhere about 60%, right? So it's just trading it over and over and over and over. We notice these little things. So when I say GJ retrace here after 100 pips, right? I am not looking for GJ to bounce off here and to continue up. And something might happen, I might probably get a little fake out people, and then come back to here. So all right, so what I'm looking for, push right here and to move off because we're in an uptrend, right? So we're in a little nice uptrend. higher highs and higher lows, right? But y'all know the do, right? Pretty vibes. What if it actually came here, form support here, right? You have some form of bottom with rejection candle, form support, but then it breaks support, right? If it breaks support here, all you got to do is just wait on the transition. Comes right here, bomb, create support, break support. All you got to do is wait for a shift, retest lower high, confirming the basic trading for a downtrend, and then you will continue down. So therefore, you look for your entry right here at this level. You follow me? So let's just be patient and wait on the right thing. So when it comes back here, now you're going to look at top rejections, right? You want to see green candle closure, then red candle closure with top wicks, and then you look to continue down, right? If this support doesn't hold, right? But for now, based off structure, what we're looking at is to retrace here and then up. As I said, I'm not confident whatsoever that GJ will push off this level. Not saying that it can do it, don't quote me. Remember that the market does whatever it do, but based off experience, years of experience in GJ, I expect that 60% retracement to this level for it to continue up. So the level that I'm looking at, let's put some figures to it. You know, we like to put figures to it. 182,225 is the level that I'm looking for to GJ to retrace. Wait for it to form support, red candle closure, green candle closure, and then you enter on that bullish engulfing pattern, right? So you want to see bottom with rejections, right? Wait for the candles to close, red candle closure, green candle closure, and then you enter of the bullish engulfing pattern, right? To continue up. And these are take profit levels, right? So these are take profit levels. Where we have these money blocks are take profit levels. We're looking at somewhere there about 182,693, right? TP1. We have TP2. We could look at 183,448. All right. So just pause the video, take down those levels, right? And to see what we're looking at. All right. So if you have any questions, y'all know the vibe. Y'all see people commenting on the videos and all that. You see that I'm very interactive in the comments. I'll answer your comments. So that drop your comments, I'll answer your question, post a chart analysis. Doesn't have to be on GJ, right? I trade and love GJ. Doesn't mean that I'm forcing anybody to trade and love GJ, but you can just stay here and just learn as much as you can. So just drop your questions, whether it be on GJ or any other player or in trading in general, and I'll be there to assist. All right, so just big up everybody, and I'll see you tomorrow. Straight balling, no stalling. I'm out.